Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today I want to show you how to create a custom waypoint for coastal sailing. This will make your navigation safer when you need to pass dangerous shoals. In the illustration, we are sailing on a northbound course and want to keep Large Green Island on our port side. We expect the wind to be out of the northeast as we pass the island. Place a dot and circle in the center of the island. Name this waypoint LG. Determine the latitude and longitude of your waypoint. Put this waypoint into your GPS and name it LG. Calculate a safe distance to pass the island and surrounding shoals. Let's use a minimum passing distance of 1.5 nautical miles. Use a plotting compass, which has a needle point in one leg and a compass lead in the other. Measure 1.5 nautical miles on the right or left side of your chart. Stick the needle point of your plotting compass into the dot at the center of your waypoint. Sweep an arc onto your chart as shown. Plot your northbound course to stay outside of this arc. You can expect the northeast wind to push you to the west toward the island. Sail 10 to 15 degrees higher than your northbound course. This will help offset the leeway created by the northeast wind. Set the alarm in your GPS to trigger at 1.5 nautical miles from the waypoint LG. This will give you enough time to take action if necessary to change course and sail for safe water. Follow these easy sailing navigation tips to put you in control when sailing or cruising near dangers. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.